Hi guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will explain how to install Java JDK in Windows 11 PC in simple steps. Step 1. First, we need to make sure that Java JDK is already installed in our PC or not. For that, first we need to open Start menu. In search bar, we need to type CMD or command prompt. To open command prompt, once command prompt is appeared, we need to type Java space hyphen version and place enter. Here we can see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Java is not installed in this PC. So we need to close this command prompt. Now the step 2 is open any browser from your PC. I recommend Chrome or Firefox. Here I am opening Firefox. And in search bar we need to type download Java JDK and place enter. Here we can see Java downloads Oracle India. We need to open this link. Here we can see Java 20 is the latest version as of now. We need to scroll down. Here we can see Windows option. We need to switch to Windows. We need to install x64 installer as my system is x64. And here we can see the download link. And we need to click on this download link, and the download has already started. Here we can see the setup file is downloaded, and here we can see show in folder, and we need to click on this setup file and run as administrator. The installation process has started. We need to press next. Here we can see the Java JDK 20 version is installed successfully. We need to close this tab. And the step 3, we need to open again the start menu, and in search menu we need to search edit the system environment variables. Here we can see it has appeared. Here we can see there is an option called environment variables. We need to open it. Here we need to search for path in system variables. Here we can see there is a path option. We need to double tap here, and before continuing this step we need to open File Explorer and go to C drive and go to program files and search for Java. Here we can see Java folder, and as I installed Java JDK version 20, here we can see Java JDK 20, and we need to open it and open bin folder. After opening bin folder, we need to copy this address. For that, we need to double tap here, and we need to press Ctrl A and Ctrl C, or we can do manually, your wish. And we need to close this tab. And here we can see the new option. We need to click on this new option. And after clicking the new option, we need to paste the address which we have already copied. After pasting this address, we need to press move up. This step has done. After doing these all steps, we need to click OK, and here also OK, and close this system properties. As a final step, we need to open again start menu, and in search bar we need to open command prompt using CMD or command prompt. Once command prompt appeared, we need to type Java space hyphen version, enter. Here we can see Java version 20 has installed successfully in my PC. There is another option to check JDK is installed or not. For that, we need to type jshell space hyphen version and place enter. Here we can see jshell 20 version is installed in my PC. These are the 4 steps as the end of this video. I hope that you are all able to install Java JDK latest version in your PC. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.